tune ready. Once this joint done flashing, we're gonna start it back up, and I'm gonna let it run a little bit more. Sounds smoother because I disabled that old. Alright, so that's the car running. Alright, y'all, so don't mind this. This is just, I need some extra piping and I need to fab up something. So this is just for now temporary, but it's leaking, but it still runs. So all right, I'm gonna take the car for a drive. I'm just scared it might die. Oh, this shit's moving. No boost. I'm gonna stay under 2,000 RPM. I'm gonna let it idle. That baby working, y'all. And I gotta get another AEM sensor. Sensor's fucked up. Amazon sold me a fucked up sensor. Exhaust more. She works. Let's give her one rev, alright? Alright, not too much, not too much. So I found out the reason why I wouldn't start. Come to find out, yeah, the math was getting blocked out. But yeah, it's just like regular cold air intake. But yeah, so I'm gonna just have it running like this, just to double check, make sure nothing leaks. But yeah, so far so good. Turbo spools, vacuum lines are connected. I got to get a new O2 sensor for the AEM wideband. But yeah, just try to listen to the turbo whistling, like spooling up. Y'all hear that? That's just it. We got one rev. Alright, not too much, not too much. Yo, see, this is why I can't be in the car. I said I was gonna take it lightly. Look at me, I'm